As the first light of dawn touches the horizon, a sleeping giant awakens. This massive labyrinth of steel is prepared to orchestrate a mechanical masterpiece today. Beneath the flickering lights, the system initializes for another day of high-precision production. Every gear and sensor is ready to play its part in this grand performance. The journey begins with the roar of pressurized air as massive silos discharge thousands of pounds of premium white flour, pouring like a waterfall into the basins. The automation sequence is now online, with robotic limbs waking up to guide the ingredients through a complex maze where technology and raw materials meet in harmony. Precision is the heartbeat of this facility, aiming for a staggering capacity of 10,000 loaves per hour, all monitored by the watchful eyes of advanced sensors. Slowly, the core components merge together. The interaction of water and flour creates the foundation for what will soon become the perfect slice of morning toast. Human oversight and machine intelligence work hand in hand, ensuring that every batch meets the rigorous standards of this automated empire before the real transformation starts. Witness the raw power of mechanical strength as giant hooks knead hundreds of kilograms of dough, creating a texture that is both resilient and beautifully smooth. Each rotation builds the internal structure, stretching the gluten to its absolute limit, ensuring the final bread will have that perfect airy bounce we all crave daily. This is the dance of power and grace. These massive machines never tire, maintaining a constant pace that would be impossible for any human hand to match. The mixing cycle is complete, and a river of white dough flows onto the assembly line, ready for the next stage of its high-tech industrial evolution. Surgical precision takes over as high-speed blades divide the dough. Each block is measured to the exact milligram, ensuring total consistency for every single customer's loaf. The blocks travel through the maze, dancing along rubber paths. They are headed toward the rounding phase, where their rough edges will be smoothed into perfect spheres. Follow the journey inside the centrifugal rounder, where a spinning vortex shapes the dough into spheres, preparing them to be tucked into their designated steel molds. A robotic touch, lighter than a feather yet stronger than iron, guides the dough into the tins. This is where the bread begins to take its shape. A grand parade of steel and flour moves forward. Thousands of tins march in unison, a sight that highlights the incredible scale of this modern food production. Nothing escapes the digital eye. Every tint is scanned by lasers to ensure that the volume is perfect before it enters the warm embrace of the proofer. The dough enters the proofer, a controlled environment where heat and humidity work their magic. Here, the yeast will wake up and begin the rising process. Inside the silence of the chamber, life expands. Watch as the dough rises with a slow, satisfying growth, filling the cold steel with warm, airy potential. The surface becomes a taut, silky drum, a testament to the perfect fermentation process occurring within the controlled 85% humidity of the massive industrial proofing room. It is a vertical garden of bread, rising in a dark labyrinth of steel. This stage is crucial for developing the soft crumb and the iconic rectangular shape. In a moment of perfect synchronization, the lids descend. They lock the dough inside, ensuring it will bake into a perfectly uniform brick of golden brown goodness. Securely locked and ready for the fire, these tins are now a sealed environment where the bread will undergo its most dramatic transformation within the roaring heat. The journey into the inferno begins. The tins enter the tunnel oven, a massive machine spanning dozens of meters, designed to bake every loaf with total uniformity. Inside this tunnel of fire, temperatures reach 230 degrees. The intense heat penetrates the steel, starting a chemical reaction that creates the wonderful aroma of fresh bread. Under immense pressure and heat, the dough is forced into every corner of the mold. Steam escapes, and the crust begins to form against the hot metal. Color is the indicator of flavor. The Maillard reaction is at work here, turning simple sugars and proteins into a complex crust of deep, satisfying golden brown. This industrial oven is a feat of engineering, maintaining a precise temperature profile throughout its entire length to ensure that no loaf is ever under or overcooked. As the tins emerge, they carry the intoxicating scent of success. The aroma of freshly baked bread fills the air, a reward for the precision of the machines. The intense heat must be tempered. A fine cooling mist helps stabilize the tins as they move toward the mechanical depanning station for the big reveal. The lids are lifted, and for the first time, we see the results. Perfectly rectangular loaves, uniform in color and shape, stand ready to be freed from their tins. With a gentle vacuum grip, the loaves are pulled from their steel cages. They appear to float for a moment, liberated and ready to start their cooling journey. Listen closely to the symphony of the crust. The crackling sound, known as the bread song, signals that the outer layer is setting into a perfect, crisp texture. The bread enters the cooling tower, a vertical labyrinth that saves space, while allowing the loaves to lose their internal heat naturally over the next 90 minutes. Patience is key. Proper cooling ensures the internal crumb sets correctly, preventing the bread from becoming gummy when it finally meets the high-speed slicing blades later on. From this angle, the scale is breathtaking. It is a monument to modern food production, where thousands of loaves cool simultaneously in a perfectly air-conditioned environment. Random quality checks are constant. A robotic probe tests the internal temperature and softness, ensuring that only the most perfect loaves continue their journey to the consumer. The cooling journey ends and the descent begins. The loaves move with increasing speed toward the most high-tech part of the factory, the slicing and packaging zone. Prepare for the arrival of surgical precision. These vibrating blades are sharpened to a microscopic edge, ready to divide the bread into flawless, identical slices every time. In the blink of an eye, the solid loaf becomes a stack of perfect slices. The speed is incredible, yet the bread remains intact and perfectly soft. Behold the internal beauty of the crumb. This is the result of perfect mixing and proofing. A white, cloud-like texture that is uniform from top to bottom. The slices are fanned and organized, moving with a fluid grace that masks the high-speed mechanical power driving the entire conveyor system toward the bagging machines. Speed meets delicacy here. A burst of air opens the packaging, and the sliced loaf is tucked inside safely, preserving its freshness for the kitchen table. The final seal is applied. The clip locks in the flavor and aroma, while the printer marks the timestamp of its birth in this automated cradle of food. A river of finished products flows toward the finish line. Each bag represents the culmination of hours of precise engineering and high-quality ingredients working in perfect harmony. Artificial intelligence is the final gatekeeper. Every bag is scanned for defects, ensuring that only the highest quality bread makes it into the delivery trucks today. The system is unforgiving. A single air blast removes any loaf that doesn't meet the standard, maintaining the reputation for excellence that this factory is known for. Robotic agility at its finest. These Delta robots move faster than the human eye can follow, organizing the loaves into crates for global distribution with incredible efficiency. The crates stack up like building blocks, creating tall towers of fresh bread. The efficiency of the space is maximized by this automated vertical storage system. The final wrap. This clear film secures the journey ahead, protecting the loaves as they prepare to leave the controlled environment of the factory for the world. Silent and efficient automated guided vehicles transport the finished pallets. There are no drivers here, only lasers and code, directing the flow of commerce through the halls. The doors to the world swing open. The transition from the artificial light of the factory to the natural light of day marks the completion of the cycle. A fleet of trucks waits to carry these loaves to cities and towns. The logistics of the bread industry is a massive operation that never stops moving. The cargo is secured. Freshness is a race against time. And these trucks are the final link in the chain that connects the factory to your breakfast table. As the trucks depart, the factory continues its tireless rhythm. The symphony of steel and flour never truly ends, it only pauses for the next batch. Looking back at this industrial marvel, one can only appreciate the complex layers of technology required to produce something as simple and essential as a slice of bread. The ultimate destination is not a warehouse, but a home. The cold steel of the factory has produced something warm, soft, and deeply nourishing for the family. This is the moment of truth. The crunch of the toast and the melt of the butter are the final notes in the symphony we started at 5 a.m. From raw flour to the perfect slice, we have witnessed a journey of incredible transformation. It is a testament to human ingenuity and the power of automation. Technology never sleeps. The machines are already preparing for the next cycle, ready to repeat this dance of precision and quality for the next 10,000 loaves. This is the future of food, efficient, clean, and incredibly fast. A world where the symphony of steel and flour creates the fuel for our modern lives. As we conclude our journey, we see how this industrial heart beats within the world, a vital source of sustenance created through the wonder of modern automation. Back in the lab, this pursuit of perfection continues. Every grain, every bubble, and every fiber is studied to improve the texture and flavor for tomorrow's batch. Hygiene is paramount. The system cleans itself with surgical intensity, ensuring that every inch of the factory is sterile before the next round of ingredients arrives. Maintenance is the silent hero of this story. These machines are cared for with extreme precision, ensuring that the symphony of steel never misses a single beat. The reach is global. From this single hub of innovation, bread travels across borders, feeding thousands of people and connecting distant communities through the power of logistics. Innovation also means responsibility. This factory uses less energy and less water, proving that massive production can also be gentle on our planet's precious natural resources. The invisible force of life yeast. In this high-tech environment, we manage the biological process with the same level of control as the mechanical ones we see. Even the smallest grain of flour is treated with respect. By sifting and aerating, we ensure the dough remains light, area free from any imperfections or lumps. The energy here is palpable. At peak speed, the factory is a blur of motion, a high-octane environment where every second is calculated for maximum output and quality. Humans are the composers of this symphony. Their expertise and passion for food are the soul that lives inside these machines, driving us toward a better future. Energy flows through the veins of this factory, a constant stream of power that fuels the transformation of simple grains into the bread that feeds our hungry nation. This is the feeling of quality. A soft, elastic stretch that tells the story of a perfect mix, a perfect rise, and a perfect bake from the heart. As the day ends, we reflect on the journey. What started as a cloud of flour in the dawn has become the comfort of an evening meal. The symphony fades into silence for now. Tomorrow, the dance of steel and flour will begin again, continuing the eternal journey of the perfect loaf of bread.